Hello everyone, my name is Mutiara Ramadhanti and I'm here to present a journal articles on computer science and technology that I've previously reviewed. The titles of the journal articles I'll be discussing here are Application of Artificial Intelligence or AI in the School Teaching and Learning Process and Machine Learning-based approaches for detecting COVID-19 using clinical text data. So, what do these two journals articles cover? Let's take a look at their contents together. The first journal I'd like to discuss is Application of Artificial Intelligence in the School Teaching and Learning Process. The first one is objective. The study aims to explore how AI-powered technologies can improve education by providing personalized, engaging, and effective learning experience. It also discusses AI's role in helping teachers customize instruction and support students' learning outcomes. Next, method. This paper uses a literature review and analysis method. The author collected and analyzed information from previous studies regarding various AI applications, such as personalized learning system, chatbots, virtual or augmented reality, and AI-based grading systems. Then, results. The findings show that AI tools boost student engagement, academic performance, and motivation by tailoring lessons to individual needs. Additionally, intelligence tutoring systems and adaptive assessments provide faster, more accurate feedback to both teachers and students. After that, conclusion, AI has significant potential to transform education into a more adaptive and efficient sector. However, its implementation must be ethical and responsible, emphasizing student privacy, avoiding system bias, and preserving human interaction in teaching. Another point is strange. The journal is systematically organized and written in simple, clear language. It provides clear example of AI applications, balance the benefit with ethical concerns, and use credible reference from previous research. In addition, weaknesses. The study relies heavily on a literature review without original classroom experiments or surveys, making the findings more theoretical than practical. It also lacks detailed statistical data and deep technical analysis. And the last one is recommendation. Educational institutions should implement AI gradually and provide proper training for teachers. Future researchers need to conduct experimental studies in real classroom, while developers must ensure data security and student privacy. Okay, that's all for the first journal. Next, I'm going to explain the second journal, which focuses on machine learning approaches for detecting COVID-19 through clinical text data. The first one is objective. The objective is to develop and evaluate machine learning approaches to accurately and efficiently classify clinical text reports into different disease categories, specifically COVID-19, SARS, ARDS, or a combination of COVID-19 and ARDS. Next, method. The study applies machine learning and text classification. The dataset underwent pre-processing steps, cleaning, removing, stopwords, and lemmatization, and feature engineering. FIDF and bag-of-words. The data was then tested using 8 algorithms, including logistic regression, naive-Bayes, and SVM. Then, results. Logistic regression and multinomial naive-Bayes delivered the highest performance, both achieving an outstanding 96.2% accuracy, 94% precision, 96% recall, and 95% F1 score. Random forest and stochastic gradient boosting also performed well with 94.3% accuracy. After that conclusion, machine learning techniques are highly effective in helping healthcare system detect COVID-19 from clinical text data. However, the study notes that utilizing larger datasets and shifting toward deep learning models could further enhance future results. Another point is strange. It provides a comprehensive comparison of multiple algorithms and details the entire technical process. The research is highly relevant to real-world healthcare because it uses actual clinical data and validates the result using strong evaluation methods. In addition, weaknesses. The dataset used is relatively small, only 212 clinical reports, which limits the generalization of the results. Furthermore, it completes explicitly exclude other medical imaging data, like CT scans, and some technical parts might be too complex for general readers. And the last one is recommendation. Future studies should use larger, more diverse datasets and explore deep learning methods. It also recommended to combine clinical text data with medical imaging, X-ray, or CT scans. Healthcare institutions should consider integrating these AI tools while still prioritizing patient privacy. Overall, I think both journals are very interesting and informative. They explain clearly how artificial intelligence can be applied in real-life situations, especially in education and healthcare. Even though there are some limitations, the journals still provide valuable knowledge and useful research results. Alright, that's the end of my presentation. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope this presentation was useful and interesting. See you and goodbye!